Is fishing simple? Just watch a fishing video and you'll understand. Don't be fooled. It's not as simple as you think. Fishing tutorials, commentaries, and other videos are overwhelming on short video platforms. With so much content, many people feel confused. Who should they trust? Whose advice is correct? After all, watching countless videos still doesn't prevent them from returning empty-handed. In fact, many fishing videos on short platforms hold value. The key lies in one's ability to integrate information. When you come across a video of someone reeling in abundant catches, your first reaction is likely, "Wow, what great fishing resources!" This actually reveals a lack of information integration skills. As the saying goes, amateurs watch the spectacle, professionals see the trick. Fishing is no exception. What's the trick behind that high-yield video? That's the direction for integrating useful information. Otherwise, even if you're dropped into an area with excellent fishing resources, you'll probably be the worst angler there. The truth is, only by integrating useful theoretical knowledge with practice can you truly master fishing. If you rely solely on high fishing frequency to reduce the chance of empty hauls, you'll struggle to catch even a single fish when dropped into an area with poor resources. The truly useful theoretical information is simple. Fish live in water, and their vision can't reach far. Thus, the logic of fishing is, first, sound, second, vision, finally, the smell of your bait. This is the simplest logic of fishing. To fish well, you must at least understand the basic behavior of fish, don't you agree? If certain videos contradict this fundamental logic, they're just gimmicks designed to attract clicks, offering no practical value for real fishing. Invalid information, especially during night fishing, makes the steps of listen, observe, then act extremely important. Many anglers come back empty-handed because they reverse or confuse this simple logic. For example, some people overly trust the flavor of bait, accepting invalid information and expecting flavors alone to attract fish. In a small stream, you'd need to dump at least a ton of bait to make that work. The real role of flavor is this: after fish hear your bait and hook splash into the water, sound, they come to check what's there, and only then does the bait's flavor play a role. Its primary function is to attract fish at the final stage. Don't get this wrong. This is just a basic principle. There's deeper information to consider. For instance, when someone claims that on a good weather day, you must fish dull, not sensitive, avoid fishing off the bottom, and steer clear of strongly scented baits, they're misleading you. Remember, fish are cold-blooded, lower-order animals without complex emotions like humans. They only swing between two extremes. When the weather is good, their activity and courage increase, so your fishing approach should be more aggressive. If you blindly accept irrational claims due to limited skills, you'll stay mediocre at fishing forever. Conversely, when the weather is poor, fish are less active and more timid. If someone then tells you to increase casting frequency to stimulate fish to bite, you'll drive them away the opposite extreme. This approach misleads you too. Although fishing has become a hot topic on short video platforms, without these two simple yet effective judgment skills, you'll surely feel lost about who to learn from. With them, you can integrate massive fishing information into truly useful techniques. Finally, fishing is a systematic process where every step is interconnected. Only by integrating information from each link can we improve our angling skills.